Hello students, welcome back to maths class. Today we are going to continuation sums nana and 11th sum. See 11th sum nana is subtraction associative in rational numbers. Okay, is subtraction associative in rational numbers. Explain with one example. Already we learned this on properties. Yes or no? Yes. In homework also I given three rational numbers. I given as verify a minus b minus c equals to a minus b minus c. What I given as homework nana? A minus b minus c equals to verify a minus b minus c equals to a minus of b minus c. Like this I gave three rational numbers. Yes or no? 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 minus 5 by 7. Like this I gave three rational numbers. Okay, so 3 by 4 minus which rational numbers we are taking in LHS side? Those rational numbers only we have to take in RHS side also. So 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 minus 5 by 7. Okay, already I given homework like this. Yes or no? You done also. Some members, some side checked also. So very good nana, you are doing well. So this only they are asking here. But what is the difference to my sum and this textual sum? That is, the difference is they did not given here rational numbers, but I given here rational numbers. I asked by giving rational numbers verify a minus b minus c equals to a minus of b minus c. Okay, but they asked is subtraction associative in rational numbers? They are asked no. So for that we have to take a minus first. For any, you already did this sum. So for all a comma b comma c belongs to q, first step we have to write like this now. A minus b minus c equals to a minus of b minus c. And let you have to take like this now. First let means we have to take any three rational numbers now. So let a comma b comma c equals to a is your question. Any rational numbers with unequal denominators you have to take. Okay. For example, 1 by 2, comma 3 by 4, comma 5 by 6. Like this. See here, I took here multiples of 2. Okay. So by if you want to take like this means we have to take same multiples. Multiples, two multiples these are. Okay, by doing that we will get it easily. Okay, so like this you can take any rational numbers, three rational numbers, and we have to show like this. Now we have to write a in the space of a we have to write 1 by 2 minus b means 3 by 4 bracket minus c means 5 by 6 equals to, we have to verify a minus b minus c equals to a minus b minus c. This is associative property under subtraction. But exist or not exist, we have to conclude that in the final step. Okay, by LHS equals to RHS or not. By depending upon that, we have to verify this sum nana. So 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 minus 5 by 6. 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 minus 5 by 6. Okay, Nana? From this onwards, you know na how to do. Okay, so continue this sum, Nana. This is very important. They given for this sum for 8 marks. Okay, so for these questions, we have to write for like this any property they given means we have to write first that property. If commutative property given means first we have to write commutative means 2 only. to a minus of b minus c. Okay, Nana? So like that we have to continue this sum, and in the final step, by seeing LHS equals to RHS or not, we have to conclude that rational numbers are associative or not under subtraction. Okay, Nana? Will you do that sum? Yes, you can do, because I explained these all are in properties classes, and I gave you as homework also. That's why I am rubbing on by explanation. Just I explain and rubbing on this sum. I will give you as homework, and for this all homeworks I am giving you answers now. So that answers you have to check and buy the books as soon as possible, Nana. And in HW books you have to every day you have to keep a date, and which exercise we are doing and which sum we are doing, and page number you have to mention it, Nana. When in examination it is easy to check that sums. Okay, don't think schools are going on or not, like that. Don't think, Nana. Maximum they will start from August last or September 1st onwards, whenever they start, but syllabus are going on. This is it. Basics for next class, Nana. So compulsory buy all of you books and start to write in homeworks. Okay, Nana? So don't waste of time. And don't, if you are writing these all in rough books, means where you can check, how you can revise once thing, Nana. So all of you buy books and continue the homeworks in homework books. And when I am sending you homeworks, you have to check which sum you are got wrong. Okay, and in that sum you have to do again in HW with neat handwriting, and in rough book you have to try 2 times, 3 times to get in that sum. Okay, Nana? Don't waste of our time. Okay, so now see, next sum we will explain. Now 12th sum, see, Nana? 12th sum. Because each session going through 20 maximum time 20 minutes. So I explain this now. Now I am explaining a small sum. That is why I choose 12th sum. Okay. So verify that minus of minus x equals to x for like this. They given 2 questions, Nana. If I told you 2 questions, what you will do? That's why I will explain this question model only. Okay, another rational number I am taking. Okay, so minus 15 by 18. Okay, first one. Okay, see carefully, Nana. Listen carefully. This is very important. This also 4 marks sum, but it is very easy. And so 2 questions they will ask for 4 marks like this only. One negative number and second one positive number they will ask. So I am taking 5 by 16. Okay. Now you see, Nana, we have to verify minus of minus x equals to x. So minus of, we have to first mention that in the solution minus of minus x equals to x. Okay. Now let substitute. Now we have to replace x by substituting minus 15 by 18. So substitute x equals to minus 15 by 18 in the equation 1. So minus of minus, Nana, here see already they given minus of minus. Yes. So minus into plus. Next step I am writing here, Nana. Minus into plus minus 15 by 18 equals to minus 15 by RHS. See, Nana, we don't do anything because already it is minus 15 by 18. Just minus 15 by 18. And they are asking us minus of minus x. Now once you see minus into minus plus only, no? So plus x only we will get, no? So we have to show that by multiplying minus of minus x we will get x. Minus 15 by 18 because minus into plus minus 15 by 18 equals to minus 15 by 18. LHS equals to RHS. Therefore we can conclude that minus of minus x equals to x is verified. Okay, Nana? Is verified. And second sum is, in this second sum is x value is 5 by 16. So again we have to write what they are asking. Minus of minus x equals to x. Okay, we have to write that, and after that we have to take in the x place 5 by 16. So substitute x equals to 5 by 16 and this considered as equation 1. For each sum we have to do like this. First we have to write what they are given, that is what they are asking, verify minus of minus x equals to x. So we have to consider that as equation 1. Now substitute which fraction they are asking to substitute that. So substitute x equals to 5 by 16 in equation 1. Now see here, by seeing here we have to write here. So minus of minus, next x, in the place x we have to write 5 by 16 equals to x. So in the place of x what we have to write? 5 by 16. Now see in LHS, Nana, minus into minus. Now we have to remove this bracket, no? How we can remove this bracket? By multiplying symbols. So minus into minus plus 5 by 16 equals to 5 by 16. See here, Nana, LHS equals to RHS, no? LHS equals to RHS. Therefore, minus of minus x equals to x is verified. Like this we have to perform this two sums, Nana. And next, 13th one is only blanks. 13th one. See here, Nana, first blank. The set of numbers. I will send you homework with a photo. Now I am explaining you question and I will explain on the blackboard. So listen carefully. The set of numbers, just we have to write. Okay. Like a blank state, Nana. These questions, 3 questions are there in last question in exercise 1.1. So the set of numbers which do not have any additive identity. So additive identity is what, Nana? We have to, which number? For example, any number you have to take, Nana. Just I am taking 5. Okay, it is a natural number, it is a whole number, it is a rational number, and it is a integer also. So I am taking 5. Okay, 5. Which number we have to add to get identity? Identity means number itself answer. Okay, which number we have to add? 0. Okay, Nana. So 0 is in set of whole numbers. 0 existed in a set of whole numbers and in integers and in rational numbers also. But in natural numbers, 0 is not existed, no? So what they are asking, the set of numbers which do not have any additive identity. And additive identity leni set enti? Enti natural numbers. Set of natural numbers. Okay, Nana, first one answer, Nana. This is now second one I am reading. See here. The rational number that does not have any reciprocal. The rational number that does not have any reciprocal. So now you see 5 is a rational number. Yes or no? 5 by 1. Okay. This reciprocal is what, Nana? What they are asking? Reciprocal any number. Reciprocal any rational number. So 5 by 1 reciprocal what, Nana? Reciprocal what, Nana? 1 by 5. Okay. Like that. You consider any rational number. For example, minus 3 by 4. Okay. For this rational number is minus 4 by 3. Okay, na? So like that, for every rational number there is a reciprocal also. But now you consider 0. Okay, Nana? 0 means 0 by 1. So now this reciprocal is 1 by 0. But 1 by 0 is undefined. Yes or no? So what is our answer? 0. Okay. So 0 is a rational number, but it does not have any reciprocal. Okay, Nana? Now you see third bit. The reciprocal of a negative rational number. What they are asking? Reciprocal of negative rational number. Consider one negative rational number, Nana. Minus 4 by 3. Because they are asking, what they are asking? Reciprocal for this negative rational number. So, see, Nana, reciprocal means 1 by minus 4 by 3. It becomes, denominator becomes numerator, numerator becomes denominator. So, minus 3 by 4, yes or no? Just we have to reverse the order. Denominator becomes numerator, numerator becomes denominator. Let us take another rational number, minus 17 by 29. Okay, minus 17 by 29. For this also reciprocal what, Nana? For this also reciprocal is what? Minus 29 by 17. So, for every negative rational number, we will get a reciprocal. What reciprocal? Negative reciprocal only. Okay, for every negative rational number, we will get negative reciprocal. So, what is our answer for third one? Negative. Okay, Nana? They are asking, we will get either we will get positive or negative. But see here, by writing from these examples, what you understand? We will get negative reciprocal only. For a negative rational number, we will get negative rational number only. So, negative. Okay, Nana? Thank you.